Hi folks, I'm Alex with MarineMax here on Lake Lanier, and today I want to show you this beautiful 2021 Caymas CX21. This is the top of the line when it comes to bass boats. This boat has basically taken the market by surprise. It just handles like nothing else. Total comfort. It's like being literally on a Mercedes-Benz on the water. It has the driest ride and the softest dry ever on a bass boat. This is a 21-foot boat, comes fully equipped with a tandem axle trailer, has stainless steel fenders. We have over here front steps so you can board easily and not get wet. Boat was equipped with two 12-inch Lowrance fish finders navigation system. It also has the Lowrance trolling motor here in the front. This boat was never fished on. The customer bought it, kept it on a lift on Lake Lanier, has approximately 75 hours only, but as you will see when you come and see this boat, the live wells and everything actually had plugs because customer never wanted any water in there. So he never really fished on this boat. He thought he might like fishing and decided otherwise. Over here, as we walk towards the back, absolutely the most comfortable seats I've ever seen on a bass boat. It just really feels like a sports car. It's got the full throttle, another 12-inch screen here for your GPS navigation, your trim controls over here, as well as your jack plate. This boat has, once again, all the bells and whistles of a high performance boat. It's got the Atlas jack plate, which is fully hydraulic to go up and down, as well as two beautiful power poles here in the back that we can activate at any time via remote control or with the buttons inside the boat. Once again, I'm Alex with MarineMax here on Lake Lanier. Come and see me. We'd love to show you this boat. It won't last long.